Kotak Education Foundation, we welcome you to Rezo 2025. We are very privileged to have amongst us 46 school leaders and educators from 9 Indian states. They have come from Ladakh, Uttarakhand, UP, Delhi, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Kerala. Rezo showcases the talents and digital innovations of educators and students. Now it's time to invite our super innovators on stage.
मेरा टॉपिक है Artificial Intelligence in Education.
I have taught them different concepts like motion and types of motion, simple machines, frictional force. I have taught them different topics.
कि कैसे बच्चों का इंटरेस्ट, उनकी रुचि पढ़ाई में बढ़ाएं. वो जो कर रहे हैं, जो टेक्निक टीचर्स यूज कर रहे हैं, प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड मेथड है, एक्टिविटी बेस्ड मेथड है, लेकिन उसमें बच्चे ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट करें, ये हमारा एम था. और इसीलिए फिर यही से हमारा सफर शुरू हुआ और एक काव्य यात्रा पर मैं आज आपको ले जाऊंगी.
In the old method, by the old tradition method, when the students were taught, you will be seeing that the blue part is there, that is showing the 30%, you can say, still there are the below average students. But when I have used my AI technique, different techniques, I have got a good drastic results, ma'am.
Teachers and students have a limited time. इसीलिए मुझे लगता है कि वो उनका जो भी प्रॉब्लम है वो खुद से सॉल्व करना चाहिए. ये मेरा फर्स्ट मोटिवेशन था ये इनोवेशन के लिए.
Can we have some lights, camera and action? Kaleidoscope Best Cinematography Award goes to
talking about AI and the future of learning. And we would like to know, how do you envision the future of learning, especially in this AI revolutionizing education in such a way?
Teachers are such a in a role in today's time. To keep the pace with time, we have to be very creative in representing ourselves in front of the future-ready students, future-ready education.
AI is emerging technology, and every state or even the whole world is running after this technology.
There is a role of the teacher. AI is, we are not going to replace the teacher. We are going to support the teacher with help of the student. The role of the teacher is a facilitator, mentor and guide.
बच्चा क्या प्रॉम्प्ट दे रहा है, किस तरह से, और उसे क्या साइट देखनी है, क्या नहीं, तो वहाँ एक स्टॉपेज जो है टीचर के द्वारा या एक प्रॉपर वॉच जो है टीचर के द्वारा, वो बहुत जरूरी होगा.
Life is always about the yin and the yang. Life is always about the good and the bad. Life is always about the believers and the naysayers. Life is about the rich and the poor and so on and so forth. Therefore, if we do not adopt, then we'll get obsolete. So it's a very fine dividing line between adoption and obsolescence. We need to choose as educators, should we gallop on a horse which is going to throw us off? Or should we gallop on a horse which will perhaps take us to the destination? That is the risk we run. But half the battle is won when you actually embark on the journey. I think we managed to do that today. So congratulations to each one of you.